Is your Hisense Roku TV testing your patience by turning on and off unexpectedly? Don't worry, I'm here to guide you on how to fix a Hisense Roku TV that turns on and off. Whether you're dealing with a software glitch or a more complex issue, there's a solution hopefully waiting for you in this video. In this video, you'll learn effective steps to troubleshoot and resolve these pesky problems. So step 1, check power supply connections. The first step in fixing a Hisense Roku TV that turns on and off is examining the power supply and connections. Ensure the power cable is plugged firmly into the TV and the wall outlet or power strip. Loose connections can cause the device to lose power intermittently. Sometimes, using a different wall outlet or a power strip can resolve the issue altogether, especially if there's a problem with the original power source. Avoid using extension cords as they can be unreliable sources of power for your TV. Step 2. Reset your TV. Start by unplugging the TV from the power source and waiting for about 60 seconds. Press and hold the power button for about 15 to 30 seconds to drain any residual power from the TV. After releasing the button, plug the TV back into the power source and turn it on again. This soft reset can often clear temporary bugs causing the TV to power cycle. Step 3. Update your firmware. Navigate to the settings menu using your remote and check for any available system updates under the support or system tab. If an update is available, allow the TV to download and install it. Ensure your TV is connected to the internet. Firmware updates can fix known bugs and improve the overall stability of the TV, potentially solving the power cycling problem. Step 4. Disable sleep and power saving modes. Sometimes power saving settings can cause the TV to turn off unexpectedly. Check if features like sleep mode or power saving mode are enabled by going to the settings menu and then turning them off. Temporarily disable these settings and monitor if the issue still persists. If the TV remains stable, consider adjusting these settings to better suit your usage without triggering unexpected shutdowns. Step 5. Inspect external devices. Disconnect any devices such as streaming sticks, soundbars, or gaming consoles temporarily to see if the power cycling stops. Plug them back in one at a time to identify if a particular device is the culprit. If a device is found to be causing issues, try using a different HDMI port or replacing the connecting cable if necessary. So troubleshooting a Hisense Roku TV that turns on and off might seem problematic, but by following the steps, hopefully you find a solution. If you guys have any questions at all, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.